Does your Super Single conversion need gears? In 2021, a Ford executive bought one of our trucks. We didn't sanction this, we didn't know it. But what they did is they took our truck to Dearborn and they tested it. 12,000 pounds, 14,000 pounds, 16,000 pounds, and 19,000 pounds. Engine temperature, transmission temperature, and rear differential oil, the condition of the oil. And they got back to us with the results after they were done. And they said at 14,000 pounds and under, it's really no concern. Whether you have gears in it or not, there was really no differential. At 16,000 pounds, they started noticing a difference. They said they'd recommend it. At 19,000 pounds, they said, we would tell your customers it's required. Why? The transmission ran 15 to 30 degrees hotter, depending on the load and the hill, and then the rear differential oil turned black. Right now, we actually have truck 0001 here. He's been running 430 since the very beginning, and when we pulled his diff oil, he was here, and it is black. It is burnt. So, and he carries a camper. So here's the math. You have 488 gears in a factory 550, 32-inch tires. You have 617 gears is what we offer, 42-inch tires. When you cross multiply, 197.44, 204.96, 0.03% difference between the two. In other words, your shift points are correct, your torque and your load and your horsepower are correct. And the truck is performing like a factory truck with factory tires, even though it's got the Super Singles. And your transmission temperatures are 15 to 30 degrees cooler, and your differential oil doesn't turn black. So no matter what you're told over the last 8 years, pull your rear differential oil, see if it's burnt. If it's burnt, you should get gears. If you're that heavy, if you're above 16,000 pounds, you should get gears.